Hi, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'll be making 30 minutes Italian cheddar sub buns. So we're going to start off with 1 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, now we're going to add 1 egg, 1/4 cup of oil. I use vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of flour. And we're just going to mix that until it forms a nice soft dough. Okay, so we have a nice soft dough. So I'm just going to place it in a grease bowl here, and we're just going to let it sit for about 4 or 5 minutes. And we're just going to cover it up. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. We're just going to take our dough out. I think I'll cut it into 6. I'll do 6 sub buns here. Just roll it into a ball. Ends in, pinch the bottom, and then I'm just going to put them on my parchment paper here. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some egg wash, brush them with egg wash, and then I'm going to add, I made a mixture of Italian and garlic. So we're just going to sprinkle some of that on. And then I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. Then we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this will be the only rise time these buns need. And we're going to bake for approximately 11 to 13 minutes. I'm just going to cover these and just let them rise until our oven reaches 400 degrees. So these baked for 15 minutes. Just place them on the rack to cool. So it only took about 30 minutes. Oh, these turned out amazing. They're so soft.